It is providing a sense of taste. Pink tissue called the mucosa. Function of tongue: picking, tasting, eating, swallowing, speaking. Thank you.
It's the national emblem of India. There are 4 lines mounted back to back. It carries 1 bull, 1 horse, 1 elephant, 1 lion and 4 Ashoka Chakras. The motto of our emblem is Satyameva Jayate. This emblem is taken from Sana Stupa.
Keys are very beautiful word. Peacock is a very beautiful word.
Good. Some things.
Here is national animal of India. Tiger live in jungle. It is a tongue. It is kind of sense organ. It is providing a sense of taste. It is pink tissue called the mucosa. Function of tongue: licking, tasting, breathing, swallowing, speaking. Thank you, ma'am. Now I am going to tell about Kacha house. Kacha house is made up of wood, mud and thatch. It is usually found in villages. This house is not very strong. Thank you. My house is very beautiful. My house is 6 big rooms. My house is iron in Goa. Maintain eyesight and gray skin. The orange keep our skin young and fresh. It's full of vitamin C.